Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to use a jailbroken Amazon Fire Stick. First, ensure your device is securely plugged into your television's HDMI port and connected to power. Go to the Settings menu, scroll down to My Fire TV, then select About. Click the Fire TV stick multiple times to reveal developer options. From there, activate both ADB debugging and apps from unknown sources, which are essential steps. A strong Wi-Fi connection ensures smooth performance for all your media needs. Once your settings are configured, your next step is installing third-party applications. Begin by downloading the Downloader app directly from the Amazon App Store. This will be your main portal. Open Downloader and enter the exact web address for the streaming application you wish to install. For example, you might use a specific URL for Kodi or another popular service. Always double-check the legitimacy of your download sources to maintain device security. Follow the on-screen prompts to complete each installation smoothly. Now that your apps are installed, let's explore how to find and stream content. You can access all your new applications directly from the Fire Stick's home screen or by going into the Apps and Channels section. Use your remote's intuitive navigation pad to effortlessly browse through categories like movies, television series, or documentaries. When you find something you want to watch, select it, then choose a suitable streaming link. Prepare to enjoy a virtually unlimited library of entertainment, all at your fingertips. To ensure your jailbroken Fire Stick continues to perform at its best, regular maintenance is key. Make it a habit to clear the cache for your streaming applications periodically. This prevents lag and frees up valuable storage space. Always power your device using its dedicated power adapter, avoiding your television's less powerful USB ports for consistent operation. A simple restart, by unplugging for 10 seconds, can often resolve minor issues. Lastly, consider using a virtual private network for added privacy and to unlock more content.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.